Hey, I just want to take a moment to go through signing up with the NFHS. If you are not registered as a coach already, you'll just simply need to register to get your login credentials. Mine are already here, so I'm going to sign in and show you what you need to do in order to get your certificates for the season. It's pretty straightforward once you know where to look, so this hopefully will save you a little bit of time so that you don't have to waste it looking for things that you don't need. So really, what we're going to look at is just the concussion certificate and then the sudden cardiac arrest, and we'll have both of those so that way we can get those taken care of. And now that we're at the home page, what we want to do is go up here to the top banner and select the NFHS Learn website. So we'll go directly there. And the first thing that I would do is just go to courses. And there's a lot of courses you can take that are free, several that cost, but we're going to get the two free ones here. We're going to look at coach, click on the coach for recommended for, and just start typing in. If you start typing in concussion, so there's going to pop up. So you'll select that, and then you're going to add it so that it goes to your account. Here you're going to make sure you get the correct state and select that at $0, so it's free. You order the course, and it'll now be under your dashboard. But let's go ahead and we're going to order another course, and we're going to go to courses here and look under sudden cardiac arrest. There it already pops up. Select it. Again, select your state. Order the course by myself. Not sure why I did that, but it is there. And sudden cardiac arrest, check out. So I've got that one listed. You can see it's not going to cost anything here, but you can order some that do cost. I don't need to print the receipt. I'm going to go to my courses, and it should show you here under my account the different courses that I have in the drop down. So these are ones that I've taken in the past. Here's my sudden cardiac arrest. It looks like I didn't take my concussion course. I'll have to add that. But then you just begin the course and listen and watch the videos, answer the questions, and at the end you'll get your certificate. I typically print mine out as a PDF so that I can have it as a digital file, and I save that and keep it for my records. But just wanted to show you the simple, easy way to go in and get your certificates ready for the school season.